The question is 5 over 12 plus, then in the brackets we have 7 over 8 minus 7 over 12. Okay, so here we have two kinds of brackets. We have the curly brackets, that is the second bracket. It's also called the second bracket because we use it in the second step. But in the first step, we use the round brackets of the first bracket. So first we have to do the operation that is inside this bracket, that is 7 over 8 minus 7 over 12. This fraction subtraction is to be done first because it is inside the first bracket. Okay, so to do this fraction subtraction, what do we need to do? We need to find out the LCM of the denominators, that is 8 and 12. So what is the LCM of 8 and 12? Well, you can find it out by doing the LCM. Please verify and check it with me. I think I have done it right. 8 and 12, the LCM is 24. So in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to take a common denominator. Instead of writing 8 and 12, we will write 24. Then we will find out how much multiplied by this 8 gives us 24. How to find out that? We will just divide this common denominator by the first denominator. So 24 divided by 8. Whatever answer comes, that answer will be multiplied to this numerator. So 24 divided by 8 multiplied by 7. Same for the second case. We will give the subtraction sign, the minus sign, and again we will divide 24 by the second denominator. So 24 divided by 12. Whatever the answer comes will be multiplied with this numerator. It's again 7, so it will come 7. Now let us do the steps inside the bracket. Following the BODMAS rule, we can see we have to do the division first and then the multiplication. So we have done the division first. 24 divided by 8, it is 3. Multiplication sign and 7 is kept as it is, minus 24 divided by 12, it comes 2. Again multiplication sign and 7 is kept as it is. Here denominator is 24 and 5 over 12, the plus sign and all the other brackets are kept as it is. In the next step, so we have the curly brackets and round brackets both. So we have this expression now. Let us do the multiplication inside the first bracket. So when we have multiplication sign and subtraction sign, following the rule of the BODMAS, we have to do the multiplication first. Now 3 multiplied by 7, it gives us 21, and 2 times 7 we get 14. Now finally we are going to do the subtraction. So we get 21 minus 14, that is 7. So in this case, we have already done all the operations that was inside the first bracket. So now we can just drop the first bracket. So there will be only the second bracket remaining. Now we are going to do the operation between the second bracket. Here is a fraction addition. So here we have 5 over 12 plus 7 over 24 inside the second bracket. Now here we have to do fraction addition. Fraction addition is done in the same way as fraction subtraction is done. So we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 12 and 24. So what is the LCM of 12 and 24? We can easily say the LCM of 12 and 24 is 24. Why? Because 24 is a multiple of 12. So if we just write 24 as the common denominator, what are the things that we need to do? We need to find out 12 times how much is 24. Can we do it mentally? Yes. 2 times 12 gives us 24, and that 2 should be multiplied with 5. So that's why I have written here 5 multiplied by 2. Then we give the plus sign, and again we should figure out 24 times how much is 24. 24 multiplied by what is 24? And that value should be multiplied with the numerator. So 24 multiplied by 1 is 24, and 1 should be multiplied with 7. Okay, so now we can just do the multiplication, and in between the numerator, 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10, plus 1 multiplied by 7 gives us 7. Now the last but not the least step is 10 plus 7. That gives us 17. We have done everything inside the second bracket, so we are just dropping the second bracket. And 17 by 24, this is our final answer. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then click on the like button, subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet, and click on the bell icon to get our next video. Goodbye.